Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful sofa set. I am drawing the sofa. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I will color the sofa with brush pen color.
You put me through, I give it up to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close.
I finished to draw the picture. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using red color. You can use any kinds of color as you like. Now I am using light blue color. Now I'm using deep pink color. Here I am again using red color for the bottom part.
You put me through, I give it up to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do?
Now I'm again using light blue color.
You're mine, mine, mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
Wow, the sofa is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little champs. Wow!